brand new video, and today's video we are going to review the Nong Shim red super spicy noodles. So guys, these are Korean noodles here, all the way from South Korea, and what we have today is a Nong Shim red super spicy noodles. So these are super spicy ramen from Nong Shim, and today we are going to review them. So let's get down to a review of it. So guys, starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes packaged in a plastic pouch right here, and right on top we can see the Nongshim branding, which is the company's name. And then this is Shin red super spicy ramen here from Nongshim. The net contents are 120 grams of noodles in it, and right here we can see the pure vegetarian symbol, so it's a vegetarian noodle right here. It's instant noodle from South Korea. It's made in Korea branding right here. We can see the made in Korea logo here, and it has a red color to it, meaning it's super spicy. So we have tried the gourmet spicy, and that was spicy. So I'm looking forward to how spicy the super spicy is gonna be, because the gourmet spicy was really spicy. I found it to be very spicy, and super spicy, as the name suggests, is going to be very spicy. So let's go ahead and try it out. So right here, if you look at the image carefully, you can see the red chilies right there in the image itself. So it's going to be damn hot and spicy. Moving on to the back of the pack, here we have the nutritional facts given on the back here. So it provides 426 kcal of energy, really calorie heavy noodles here, 14 grams of fat, 67 grams of carbohydrates, of which 3.7 grams are sugar, 8.1 grams of protein, sodium is 1300 milligrams. Ingredients: it has noodles, it has soup base, there are flakes. So the noodles are made from refined wheat flour, potato starch, palm oil, salt, mineral salts, INS, soy sauce, green tea extract, emulsifiers, sweetener, flavor enhancers, and color. The soup base is made from seasonings. Seasoning contains hydrolyzed vegetable protein, that is soy, maltodextrin, yeast extract, soy sauce, soybean, refined wheat flour, soybean oil, vegetable oil, spices, salt, corn flour, shiitake, mushroom, color, anti-caking agents, flakes. In flakes you get dried flakes as well with it, in which there is dried bok choy, which is 25% of dried bok choy, dried shiitake mushrooms, textured vegetable protein, which is soy sauce, wheat gluten 20%, dried carrot is there, dried red pepper is there, dried green onion. Allergy information contains wheat and soy. Produced in a facility that also processes products that contain milk, peanuts, tree nuts, and sesame. So that's given, and then various languages they are given the ingredients here. On the right hand side they are given the cooking instructions. They have shown the directions to cook it. You just need to boil 550 ml of water. Add the noodles, the soup powder and the flakes together in it. Cook for like around 4.5 minutes. Remove from the heat and then serve. Not recommended for infants below 12 months, so above a year can enjoy these noodles, but these are going to be super spicy, so be very careful while you give it to your toddlers. Again, here we have the Nongshim branding. It says halal. It is a pure vegetarian product. Nongshim Co-Limited from Seoul, Korea. That's it. And now coming to the price, MRP of the product is ₹99. The MRP in India is ₹99 for this, and the shelf life is 12 months from manufacturing. So it has a 12-month shelf life as well. So let's go ahead and open the pack and look at how do the noodles look and what all do we get inside the pack. So here we go. So guys, we are going to just cut this open. And inside the pack, the first thing that we see here are these fried noodles, instant noodles. These are fried again, so if you want you can enjoy them plain as well without cooking it up as well, because they are already fried and they taste really yum. So we have a noodle cake right here. And along with the noodles, what we get inside is a soup base. So this is soup base, super spicy soup base that we have here. And then we have a packet of super spicy flakes. So inside this there is dried bok choy, there's dried green onion, carrots, and other vegetable flakes right here. So that's what we have here, and these are the instant noodles, the instant noodle cake. And since these noodles are already fried, I'm eating them plain because it is delicious like this as well. So yeah, these are 3 things that you get inside the pack. So let's go ahead and make it up and do a quick taste test of the Nong Shim super spicy red Shin Ramyun. So guys, we have prepared the Nong Shim super spicy red Ramyun right here, and we are going to quickly do a taste test of it. So before I do the taste test, I'll just show you all the noodles. Look at this amazing noodles right here. So nice and smooth and all soupy. There's a lot of soup inside. So you can see the soup, soupy noodles these are. And every noodle is nice and thick and long and smooth right here. So very well cooked, right under 5 minutes it gets prepared. All you need to do is add hot boiling water and cook the noodles in that for 5 minutes. Add the soup maker, the soup base and the flakes, and your noodles will be ready under 5 minutes. So the aroma is really nice, it's spicy aroma. I haven't tasted it right now, so I had done a taste test of the gourmet spicy, which was supposed to be mildly spiced and it was damn spicy. And this is supposed to be like a super red spicy noodle. I can't wait to go ahead and do a taste test and see how spicy it is. So guys, this is a taste test of the Nongshim super red spicy noodles Ramyun right here. Korean style noodles, instant noodles, and we are going to do a taste test of the same. So here we go. Here goes the taste test of the Nong Shim Ramyun super spicy red. Damn, it's very spicy. The noodles don't look spicy, but the flavors are really hot. Super spicy. I haven't even tried the soup yet. Like only noodles which I just dipped in the soup are super spicy. I can't believe how spicy this soup is going to be. Super hot. Super hot. Very spicy. If you can't handle spicy food, these noodles are not for you. So these noodles are not for me because I can't handle so spicy food, man. It's really hot and spicy. I think gourmet spicy was spicy. This is to the next level spicy. People who love spicy food, this is for y'all. Y'all need to try these noodles out. This is next level spicy. The flavor is really yum, but it's very hot and spicy. So people who like very spicy food, definitely give this a try. People who can't handle hot and spicy food, stay away from it because it's very spicy. So guys, if you all want to give it a try and if you all want to try out these Korean noodles from Nongshim, it's super red spicy. It's available on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.